How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 55 Bel Air two-door hardtop, done in a stunning emerald green with a pearl tan interior. Super nice car, guys. Car's nice and straight down the sides. The bumpers and grills all been replaced on this car. Really nice. All the glass is real nice. Car's straight down the sides. Real slick paint on it. Tell you, I really like the color of the interior in it. Looks real nice. Very classy. They did the smoke tail light lenses in it with dual brake light bulbs. This got a strong running 383 with Dart Sportsman heads. Got a 700 R4 overdrive trans, got your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Thing drives down the road, just cruises down the road, so nice. We've put probably 75, 80 miles on this car. See how nice the jams? Interior's just gorgeous. It's got Ididit tilt steering. It's got a retrofit stereo in the dash. It looks stock, but it's also got a remote CD stereo system hidden. Headliner's real nice. All your chrome bows, all your chrome garnishes, updated front and rear seat belts. Super nice car, guys. Side the trunk all looks real nice. Got your spare. They moved the battery to the back. Just cleans the engine compartment up a little bit. I really like the choice of steering wheels they put in it. It's got your trio of gauges there under the dash. It's got a LoKar accelerator pedal. Fires right up. All your license plate lights work. It's just a super nice car. Get in this car, drive it. Anywhere you want to go to your shows, your cruises. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.